All right, it looks like we're just about ready to begin then. We'll start in 3, 2, 1.
As the robots lower themselves, Team 7776 managed to successfully detach. Question is, will they be able to identify the correct mineral?
3058 failing to detach on the red side. Looks like they're still stuck.
Team 7776 manages to identify the correct mineral and knocks it off of its respective dot. Although Team 15489 manages to successfully detach, but does not move after.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
And it looks like that'll be the end of our autonomous phase here.
1.
7776 starting themselves up, hopefully to collect some minerals.
And Team 15489 managed to push their gold mineral inside of their depot as Team 3058 plays aggressive and tries to corral as many of his opposition's minerals as he can into his own side. And Team 7776 tries to scoop up several silver minerals to try to deposit them inside of the lander.
15562 holding a gold mineral, trying to drop it into the red side, but it looks like their claw is struggling to release from the bot. They've set the mineral back down.
Team 7776 trying to scoop some more silver minerals up to put them inside of the lander.
Oh, very close.
Oh,
no!
And they seem to turtle themselves. Will they be able to sit themselves back up?
That high range of mobility on the arm means that without any issue at all, 7776 has righted themselves.
They've really been working on their ab crunches.
Team 15562 trying to get that gold mineral and just struggling. 7776 trying to collect some silver minerals out of that crater.
And it seems that Team 7776 has an error with their mechanism, as it seems they've got a silver mineral inside of their scooping mechanism.
I wonder how that manages to happen. 3058 trying to line up for that end game lift. 7776 doing the same, setting up.
And 776's teammate manages to reattach themselves. Will 776 manage to do it in time with less than 10 seconds left? And they hook on, but are they able to pull up?
It's not enough for 7776. And that's the game.
It seems that a chain got disattached, probably leading to the failure of that mechanism.
It looks like the scores for Qualification 13 are in as well, giving blue a score of 168 to red's 92.
As we saw with many of the other rounds, the two most important segments are autonomous and endgame. Autonomous giving blue team a 65-point lead over red team.